In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Zoom recordings to Google Drive. Whether you've just finished an important meeting and you're looking to share it with colleagues or want to ensure that your recordings are safely backed up, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to help you do just that. Let's dive in. First, we're going to start by heading over to Google Drive. So open up your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the Google account where you want to store your Zoom recording. You should now see the main interface of Google Drive, which shows all of your current folders and files. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a button labeled New. It's located just below the Drive logo. Go ahead and click on that New button. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, giving you a variety of options. From this menu, select File Upload. Now that you've clicked on File Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up. This is where you'll need to locate your Zoom recording file on your computer. Typically, if you've recorded a meeting locally, you'll find it saved in your computer's documents or a specific Zoom folder. Browse through your files until you identify the correct one. It might be helpful to look for the date and time of the file to ensure it's the right recording. Once you've spotted the correct Zoom file, click on it and then click Open. You'll notice Google Drive will start uploading the file. This process could take a few moments depending on the size of your recording and the speed of your internet connection. During the upload, you'll see a status bar in the lower right area of your screen which will show the progress. Allow Google Drive to complete the file transfer. If you try to interrupt this process, it might lead to an incomplete upload, so it's best to let it finish uninterrupted. After the upload is complete, you should receive a notification in the same area, confirming that your file has successfully uploaded to Google Drive. Now you can easily share this file by right-clicking on it, selecting Share, and entering the email addresses of your recipients. This is a great way to make sure your colleagues or students have all the information they need without crowding up your email inbox with large attachments. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Zoom recording to Google Drive, ensuring it's safely stored and easy to share with anyone who needs access. This is especially useful for maintaining an organized library of past meetings, webinars, or lectures. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you have a new Zoom recording to upload.